This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the TCL 65-inch QM8K Series Google Smart TV. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this smart TV in the description below for the latest price. The TCL QM8K is a next-generation TV designed to impress with its advanced mini-LED technology combined with QLED enhancements for superior picture quality. The 65-inch screen delivers an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors, deep contrast, and crisp details thanks to the TCL Halo Control System. This innovative system uses several cutting-edge components like the super high-energy LED microchip and dynamic light algorithm to ensure halo-free images, which means you get consistent brightness and color accuracy across the entire screen. The 4K UHD resolution means the visuals are sharp and true to life, perfect for movies, sports, and high-definition gaming. Speaking of gaming, this TV is built to cater to gamers with a rapid 144Hz refresh rate and a remarkable 288Hz variable refresh rate (VRR) support, which effectively reduces screen tearing and input lag for a smooth, lag-free gameplay experience. If you're a casual or competitive gamer, this feature stands out as a major advantage. One of the unique design highlights is the anti-reflective zero-border edge-to-edge panel, which minimizes distracting reflections and gives the TV a sleek, bezel-less look that blends seamlessly into any room. The Bang & Olufsen tuned audio offers rich and clear sound, providing an immersive audio experience without needing an external speaker system, though some audiophiles might still prefer a dedicated sound setup for the fullest experience. On the smart side, the TCL QM8K runs Google TV with hands-free voice control, letting you easily search for content, control the TV, and discover new shows through simple voice commands. The backlit premium remote further enhances usability in dim lighting conditions. Connectivity options include Ethernet, multiple HDMI ports, USB, and Wi-Fi, so hooking up your favorite devices and streaming content is hassle-free. Of course, no product is perfect. While the TCL QM8K excels in picture quality and gaming features, it is a premium model with a price tag to match, which might be steep compared to other TVs with less advanced technology. Additionally, some users may find the Google TV interface a bit overwhelming at first, though it becomes intuitive over time. The sound, while high quality, could still fall short in very large rooms without external speakers. Overall, the TCL 65-inch QM8K series stands out as an excellent choice for those seeking top-tier image quality, next-level gaming performance, and a smooth smart TV experience in a stylish, bezel-free design. It's a balanced package that brings cutting-edge TV technology into your living room with a clear focus on picture fidelity and immersive entertainment.